Oh no, the flapper valve chain broke again. What are we going to do? This is the replacement one that I had gotten from Home Depot. Only lasted 2 months. So what had happened was the little ball that sits inside the flapper valve actually broke off of the chain. And then when you hit the handle, nothing happened. So instead of getting another chain, I had a bag of dollar store tie wraps around and I got this idea. And came up with this little concoction. So as you can see, I created a large loop to emulate the chain, and I used two smaller, let me get rid of some of the water. I'll wait till the water stops. I used a small loop, a very small loop going inside the flapper valve, and one large link connecting both, and a small loop in the center just to take up the slack. So when you actually hit the handle, it was effective. And you have to adjust this overall length to suit your pressing of the handle so that the flapper valve actually goes a full travel. But it should be pretty simple to figure out. You just kind of line up the length with the original chain and you're good to go. So I'll let this fill up for a second, and we'll come back when the water is full. And the water is full, so here we go. Success. That should last for quite a long time and no more rusted out chains.